Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Parmesan chicken. First, let's get organized. You'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 1½ pounds total. Pound each breast to an even thickness of about 1/2 inch for consistent cooking. Set up your breading station with 3 shallow dishes, one for seasoned flour, one for 2 beaten large eggs, and one for your breadcrumb mixture. Now, let's get those chicken breasts perfectly coated. First, take each piece and dredge it in the seasoned flour, making sure to shake off any extra. Next, dip the floured chicken into the 2 beaten large eggs, ensuring it's completely covered. Finally, press the chicken firmly into your panko breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese mixture, ensuring a generous and even coating on all sides. It's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the breaded chicken into the hot oil and pan fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until it's beautifully golden brown. Then, transfer the chicken to a baking dish. Top each piece with about 1/2 cup of your favorite marinara sauce, and sprinkle with 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Almost ready to enjoy. Place your baking dish into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Garnish with some fresh basil for a pop of color and flavor. Serve your delicious Parmesan chicken immediately with your favorite pasta or a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.